Hi guys, I'm Isaiah Cardona and I'm an art director and motion designer in Kansas City. And I have found that using the Procreate app on the iPad has helped speed up my hand-drawn illustration process and allowed me to add animation, making it even easier now to create animated holiday greetings. And in this class, I'm going to share a fun, easy way for animating your own holiday greeting with an iPad and Procreate app. And through this class, I will walk you through beginner level strategies to help you learn how to use the Animation Assist tool and how to export your animations. And with all of these skills, you will gain the confidence to create even more easy animations for yourself using Procreate. This class is perfect for designers, artists, social media managers, and anyone else who's interested in creating a digital holiday greeting. I look forward to seeing you in class, so let's get started.